In this part, we are covering variables and data types, which are fundamental concept in any programming language. By end of this video, you will know everything about variables and data types. Let's get started. What is a variable? Variable are containers for storing data values. For example, if you are having a chocolate box, inside the chocolate box there are so many chocolates. So, chocolate box is the container, chocolate is the value. Here, the chocolate box stores chocolates. Let's see how to declare a variable and assign a values. Chocolate box. Now, chocolate box is a container and then chocolates is a value, right? So, print chocolate box. Expected output chocolates. That means from the container, here container is a chocolate box. From the container, you get the stored value as a output, right? Let's run this code. You can see here chocolates. Try this exercise. Declare a variable as student name, student age, giving values Ram and 18. Use this to form a sentence of your own. Okay, let's see the solution. Student name equal to Ram. Then student age equal to 18. And then print student name, print student age. Okay, it's a method one. I'm gonna run this code. You can see here Ram 18. Method 2, print I am Ram. So student name. And then 18 years old. So student age. Double quotation, years old. Let's see the output. Ram 18 and then I am Ram 18 years old. There is a two methods. I am gonna comment this method. You can see this method's output only. Ram 18 years old. Okay. Now let's see the example for reassignment variables. This means once you assign a value to a variable, you can reassign it, but the value will show the most recent data. For example, student age equal to 19. Again you reassigned student age equal to 20. Print student age. Now you will get the output as 20. The reason is the value will show the most recent data. See here 20. You are assigning a variable name. It's essential to follow certain naming rules. Let's see. Variable names can contain letters, numbers and underscores. However, they can't start with a number. Here is some valid and invalid variable name. Check it out. Then, variable names are case sensitive and variable name can't contain spaces. Better to use underscore. No reserved words. That means you can't use Python reserved words with a variable name. For example, if, else, while, def and much more. In Python, Datatypes defines the types of data a variable can hold. Let's explore the most common data types in Python. First one is string variable. Strings can hold text values. You can use single quote, double quote or triple quote. Let's see the example. Example for using single quote. Favorite color. I'm gonna give blue. Print this favorite color. You can see here output as blue. Okay. Then using double quote. Hobby programming. Then print hobby. You can see here the output as programming. Then using triple quote. Quote equal to, you can write here multiple lines. Okay, something into multiple lines. Print this quote, run. You can see here multiple lines of output. Second one is integer variables. Integer variables can store whole numbers. For example, storing and printing integers. Let's see how it's working. Year 2024. Print year. Let's see the output. You can see year 2024. Third one is float variables. Actually, float variables can hold decimal values. Let's see the output. Temperature equal to 98.6. Print temperature. Run this code. You can see here decimal value. So, float variable can hold decimal values. Next one is boolean variables. Actually, boolean variables can hold true or false values. This means is python fun equal to true. Let's see the output. Print is python fun. Okay, now I'm gonna run this code. You can see here true. This is called boolean variables. Let's see few more exercises based on variables and data types. Exercise number 1. Create variable for your favorite food, age and height. Print them using both the print function and formatted string. Let's see the solution for exercise 1. Favorite food. I'm gonna give pizza. Age 25. Height 5.7. Let's see the output. My favorite food is pizza, and then print using formatted string. So here I'm gonna give F. Inside this age. So here I am 25 years old, right? 25 years old, and height 5.7 feet tall. Okay, now I'm gonna run this code. You can see your output as what I expected. Yeah, it's correct. Let's move to second exercise. Declare a variable for your current age, then change it to your age next year and print both. Let's see the output for this. In this question, current age and my age in next year. So first, current age equal to 25. Print my current age is current age, and then current age equal to plus or equal to 1. This means it will add one more year extra, so that my age in next year is, let's see the output, 25 and 26. Yeah, we got the output. Create variables of different data types like a string, integer, float, boolean. and print them along with their types using the type function. Okay, let's see the output for this. Declaring a variable name equal to ABCD, age equal to 10, height 5.5 feet tall, and then is student true. Okay, let's check the output with the type of the data type. Name, type of name. Now we can assume it's a string, right? Print age, type of this age is a integer. Height, it's a float, right? Height, type of height. Next one is student. It's a boolean, so student comma type is student. Okay, before this I want to give print. Yeah, now let's run this code. Now you can see ABCD is a string, 10 is a integer, 5.5 float, true is a boolean. Yeah.